Hi everyone, this is Bharti and welcome to day 8 of the Pranayama challenge. Once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start the practice by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into your yoga mat, straighten the spine, roll the shoulders back. Bring the hands in Chin Mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. Let's start taking a few normal breaths, observing our natural flow of breath. Let us start the practice by repeating the following affirmation 3 times in our mind. I'm doing my best and that is enough. We'll start the practice with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. And gently open your eyes. We'll start with equal breathing today. So you can bring one hand on your abdomen and we are going to inhale and exhale for a count of 5. Every time we inhale, you'll feel the belly expanding out, and as you exhale, the belly goes in. So let's start. Take a deep breath in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Keep the breath continuous and smooth. Try not to have any exaggerated movements or jerks. Keeping the facial muscles completely relaxed. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. And relax. Next, we are going to do Bhastrika Pranayama. We are going to do 3 rounds with 10 pumps each. So let's bring our hands on either sides of the head, forming a loose fist. Take a deep breath in and out to prepare for Bhastrika. And let's start. And relax. Take a breath in and out. And bring the hands down and take a couple of normal breaths. And let's start. Bring the hands on either sides of the head. Take a breath in and out. And relax. And bring the hands down. One last deep breath before we start round 3. Bring the hands up and let's start. And relax. Bringing the hands down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Surya Bhedi Pranayama. So in Surya Bhedi, we activate the right nostril or the Pingla Nadi. So in this, we are always going to inhale from the right side and exhale from the left. This is good for clearing the frontal sinuses and getting rid of any respiratory disorders. So let's get the right hand in Vishnu Mudra and close the left nostril with the ring finger. Take a breath in and out through the right nostril. And let's start. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, exhale left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, inhale right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on for 3 more rounds. Last round. Bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. We are again going to do 1:1:1 ratio today, but increase the count by 1. So we are going to inhale for 5 counts, internally hold the breath for 5 counts, and exhale for 5 counts. So let us start. Bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra and close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Keep your attention only on your breath. If your mind wanders, bring it back and start again. Last round. Slowly bring the right hand down and let's take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do 6 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. So bring both the hands up, close the flaps of the ears with the thumbs, and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. Take a deep breath in. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping your eyes closed. Feel the calming effects of the vibrations in your mind and body. We'll end the practice with 3 Om chants. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Bring the hands over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Gently bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.